What's up, herd? Today's another great day to be in the elephant money ecosystem, so let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin is up about 1% today after some turbulence over the last couple of days. It did reach the top of the range here as far as the resistance goes, came back down, and is now sitting right back where it was just a couple of days ago when we last did this video. So let's see where it goes over the weekend. Hopefully upward momentum is going to happen here soon. We have been in the bottom side of the price versus whale money flow and the bottom side of the trend exhaustion for some days now. So I'm looking forward to this reversing very soon. The Ethereum ETFs are yet to be announced. However, I do think they could be starting to trade as early as next week. So let's look out for that. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, somewhere in that neighborhood could be fantastic for the price of Ethereum. Ethereum money flow is starting to head back in the correct direction here and is looking a little bit better than Bitcoin has been, though it has only tested. If we get any sort of news today on when the ETFs could be trading, this could be really great news for Ethereum, or it could be a sell the news event, guys. So it's possible we could come back down to 28.77, though I do think it is eventual that we will be up into the right. BNB price is up as well today, about 1%. We are staying above $500, which is great to see, but we have a long way to go back up to where we were at 700 just a couple of weeks ago, guys. So let's look forward to that rise. Solana up 1.75% today after a nice drop yesterday, so people buying the dip here. I would like to see Solana testing resistance here around $160 over the next couple of days. Let's get into the elephant money ecosystem. On Radium yesterday, we actually got over $1, which was impressive to see. But there was plenty of sell pressure right at $1, and it brought us all the way back down to about 93 cents. And now we are sitting at about 95 cents, which looks pretty healthy to me, guys. I knew there would be some turbulence right between these ranges. From about $1 to 90 cents, I did expect a little bit of buy and sell pressure, especially up here at $1 for the price of Trunk. Trunk has done phenomenally well against the USDC, and it shows inside of our Solend pool, guys. Plenty of borrowers still eating up the supply of USDC here. We have a supply of $9.6 million with a borrow of $8.2 million, which is absolutely incredible. 152% APR on the borrow side and 104% on the supply side means borrowers are plenty bullish on the price of Trunk, guys. So much so that they're supplying 103% to the supply side. Solend is the primary business of this cycle, guys, for the elephant money ecosystem. So if you're not in it, make sure to bridge your Trunk tokens from the BNB chain over to the Solana chain using Portal Bridge, and then get into this Solend Trunk pool, as we are using it not only to make leverage gains on our Trunk positions, but BT himself is market making within this pool using both sides of the lending market, USDC and Trunk, to bring revenue to the ecosystem, guys. One change I did want to note here is that it's much harder to borrow Trunk at this point. We wanted to make sure there wasn't going to be any short selling going on in our Trunk pool. So we have eliminated the ability now to borrow Trunk in order to short the token. It's great to see a lot of DCAing going on, guys. Great to see you all following the plays that BT is giving us, both on the Solana side and the BNB side, guys. Make sure to be eating up that LP on the BNB side. It's got the most liquidity, and the largest holders of the token are on the BNB side. So let's each one teach one, even within the ecosystem, guys, and make sure that we are getting our Trunk tokens moved over to the Solana side. Let's real quick look at an updated holder list here. We've dropped 3 million tokens in the Trumpet supply, but we've also gone up about 3 million in the Wormhole token bridge. That means there's 3 million more Trunk tokens on Solana than there were just a couple of days ago. And it's good to see that the Trunk Turbine is outpacing the PancakeSwap LP. The Trunk Turbine now has 700,000 more tokens than the PancakeSwap Trunk to BUSD pool does. All signs lead to bullish for the trunk token, guys. So get into the BUSD pool, get some trunk tokens, bridge them over to Solana, and participate in our trunk to USDC pool on Solend to keep rowing in the same direction and be a part of the herd. Have a great week, and God bless.